how to transfer money from Danske Bank to Revolut. Transferring money from Danske Bank to Revolut is simple and fast. Open the Danske mobile bank app or log into eBanking. Go to the payments or transfer section from the main menu. Select make a payment or transfer to another bank. Enter your Revolut account details, including your name, IBAN, and BIC. You can find your Revolut IBAN in the Revolut app under Account Details. Next, type in the amount you want to send. Choose the currency, usually GBP or EUR, depending on your Revolut account. Add a reference note if needed. Then review your payment details carefully. When ready, tap Confirm to complete the transfer. Most transfers arrive within a few minutes, though some may take one working day. Check your Revolut app to confirm the money has arrived. If there's any delay, contact Danske Bank or Revolut support for help. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from Danske Bank to Revolut easily. Thanks for watching.